How to whitelist your domain with Instantly.ai. When you whitelist a domain, you're essentially telling Instantly.ai and your connected inboxes that this domain is verified, safe, and authorized for sending. To do this, head into your Instantly.ai settings, go to Domain, and add your sending domain. You'll then be prompted to update your DNS records like SPF, DKIM, and DMARC. Inside your domain registrar, such as GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Once those records are verified, Instantly.ai marks your domain as whitelisted, which strengthen deliverability and protect your reputation. This not only reduces the chances of your email landing in spam, but also ensures smooth scaling when you add more inboxes or increase sending volume. By keeping your domain whitelisted and authenticated, you'll give your campaigns the best chance of consistently reaching the inbox. So that's it.